Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. Today we are on Playa del Carmen as we take a little tour of the famous 5th Avenue. Quinta Avenida. If you're on Instagram, give us a follow at Travel Junkie DJ, and I promise I will follow you back. Lots of construction still happening here. 117 million peso construction deals happening right now. The good thing about it is that if you have been down here before, when it rains, it gets nasty. The runoff, the sewage is just terrible. So apparently with this investment is going to drastically fix that. So it's good news for the residents here in Playa del Carmen. We're coming up to a very famous store here on 5th Avenue, Roger's Boots. Yeah, selling cowboy boots in 36 degrees in humidity. He's been here for years too. Now, if you've never been down to Playa and you're not too sure where it is, it's 65 kilometers south of Cancun and 60 kilometers north of Tulum, so right smack dab in the middle. Massages. Probably the number one thing you'll get asked for on 5th Avenue next to drugs. A little AC/DC for you. We're on the highway of construction. Fifth Avenue is 5 miles long, with most of the touristy attractions are from Cali 3 south to about the 40th Ave. So it's about 22 blocks of non-stop shopping and dining. If you love eating out though, 5th Avenue is a foodie's dream. Let me know down in the comments below what your favorite restaurant here is in Playa. It's a Friday afternoon, mid-December, about 26 degrees Celsius. And you can see the lack of tourists. Great deal on souvenirs though. Interesting fact about Playa. Back in 1995, the population here was 18,000 people. Can you guess what it is right now? It's insane. Over 300,000 people in 2021. 18,000 in 1995 to 300,000 in 2021. That's an insane amount of people. So obviously this construction and infrastructure needs to be done to try to keep up with the amount of people that are coming here. I was reading, they say 15% every year is the growth of the population. So if you do the numbers, that means it'll be up to about 350,000 at the end of this year. Wow. Romantic walk, listening to some Barry White for you on Playa del Carmen Radio. Eat Italia, pretty good. Lots of tattoo shops here on 5th Ave. This construction was scheduled to be done a few months ago. And it has been raining off and on the last few days, and walking down here has just been a mess. I'll give you a tip, don't wear white shoes, just stick with the sandals. Running shoes will just get wrecked if it starts raining. Nice thing about walking down 5th Avenue when you have a camera in your hand is you see not too many people bug you. If I didn't have the camera, every single one of these people that are standing here as we walk by would be asking me to buy something. Tequila, girls, whatever. You can get whatever you want here in Playa del Carmen, 5th Ave. Playa was originally a small fishing town. And tourism started to begin when the passenger ferry service over to Cozumel started. A lot of tourists and backpackers were heading over there because they, believe it or not, Cozumel has the second largest reef in the world. And it's quite comparable to Australia. And yeah, so with all the people heading there, Playa just started to grow, and 300,000 people later,
what about Chelita or
another big thing you'll find on 5th Avenue, pharmacies. They're everywhere. In Mexico, actually, pharmacies are everywhere, and they sell everything. Viagra, steroids, you name it. you haven't yet, make sure you've hit the subscribe button. That really will help us out. And the notification bell to let you know when we post new videos.
Oh, very small.
Talking about my Osmo pocket, not my, you know. Hola, amigo. Mexicans are pretty friendly people. Hola. There's like a fancy condo going up on the left here. That poor gentleman waiting for the pandemic to end. I didn't do it, I swear. I don't know if you just saw that sign there. A lot of people think down here in Playa that you can walk and drink alcohol on 5th Avenue. Don't do it. It's illegal. If the cops see you, it's just a reason for them to arrest you, pay a fine, a bribe, or whatever you're going to need to do to get out of it. But yeah, don't be walking around with a beer in your hand. Some entertainment for you. I love Playa. Quinta Alegria Mall, shopping mall. You won't find any deals in there unless it's out of season or it doesn't fit you. Well, we're going to wrap the video up right about here. Thanks again for watching.
Something else?
Again, if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. If you're on Instagram, give us a follow at Travel Junkie DJ. Happy travels and stay safe, everyone.